Hi everyone, welcome to Aondoaver Learning Space. Today we have an SAT question to look at, which says x minus 1 raised to power 2 equal to minus 4. How many distinct real solutions does the given equation have? So I want you to take 5 seconds to solve this question. Welcome back. So what's your answer? Anyway, keep it. We are going to compare it with my solution after I solve. So this question originally is not supposed to take you up to 5 seconds. At most 3 seconds is enough, right? Now, before that, I want us to look at the characteristic of numbers. Now, first, what is a real number? Now, a real number is a number that when squared, the solution is always equal to 0 or greater than 0. I take it again. A real number is a number that when squared, its solution is equal to 0 or greater than 0, right? Now, let's look at this equation. If it is consistent with that. So, the equation here says that x minus 1 raised to power 2 is equal to minus 4. So, this is the number. What is in the bracket here is the number. Now it is squared. The solution is minus 4. Now minus 4 is not equal to 0, but it is less than what? 0. Whereas we said that real numbers are numbers that when squared, the solution is equal to 0 or greater than 0, right? Now, if you want further proofs, let's go. So first you take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of this. Take the square root of this. Mind you, when you introduce a square root here, you are going to have a plus or minus. So the square root here goes with this square. So x minus 1 equal to plus or minus. When you take the square root of minus 4, it will give you 2i, where I is a complex number. Now you can check my videos. I made a video on complex numbers. You get to understand this better. So from here, we move 1 to the right hand side. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus 2i. So the value of x here could be plus 2i or x equal to 1 minus 2i. So for a real solution, this equation does not have any real answer, right? So the correct option to this is 0. It has 0 real solution. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to see more content like this. See you in class next time. Bye.